I've been working with clients, training and coaching for around 16 years now, and I've realised that one of the biggest things that holds people back and even stops them from starting their weight loss journey is belief. Their own self-belief about their ability to lose weight. And it's understandable, right? That most people have tried many things before and have failed. Why would this time be any different? If you've struggled with your weight loss for a while, confidence is often low, self-esteem has taken a hit, and people often give up hope and see no way out. You know, this is my lot, let's make the best of it. This just isn't true. You do deserve to achieve your goals, you haven't tried everything, and there is hope. I specialise in the psychology of fat loss, and this means I help my clients smash through their negative self-beliefs and help them understand that the skill set required to lose weight is actually quite simple, and that they can easily learn the mindset skills if given the right coaching. Developing a bulletproof mindset, which is mental resilience regardless of what's happening in life, and practicing consistency and patience. Now, if you like the sound of this, like this video, hit the follow button for more practical, no BS fat loss advice. All the best.